Welcome to this webinar. We would like to tell you more about the mega trailers we offer. During this presentation, we will explain more about the differences between standard and mega trailers, the costs involved, geographical coverage, pros and sales focus. Please keep your questions until the end of the presentation. Let's get started. We will first show you a short introduction movie, Mega versus Standard Trailers. So this is one of our mega trailers. The most essential difference in appearance between a standard and a mega trailer is the difference in internal height. Another important item which makes clear that we are talking about a mega trailer is the ILU code. An ILU code is permitted on all trailers. The ILU code for our mega trailer always starts with a 2. Compared to a standard trailer, the wheels of a mega trailer are smaller. Let's walk around the trailer. Here we see a standard trailer. The ILU code for our standard trailers always starts with a 1. As shown during the movie, the dimensions of a mega trailer and a standard trailer differ quite a lot. When we look at the table, you can see that the internal length and width of a mega and standard trailer are the same, though the most important difference is the internal height. Where a standard trailer has an internal height of 2.7 meters, a mega trailer can load up to 3 meters, so 30 centimeters extra. What is interesting in this table is that whereas the door height of a standard trailer is 2.63 meters, which can easily be extended to 2.7 meters, the mega trailer has a standard door height of 2.85 meters, which, with a simple adjustment, can be extended to 3 meters. Therefore, the effectiveness during loading and unloading is maximized. Side access for a mega trailer is also 3 meters, since the rooftop of the mega trailer can be lifted at all sides of the trailer. The most important difference is the volume. A mega trailer can carry 10% more volume than a standard trailer. Where a standard trailer can carry 91.2 meters cubed, a mega trailer can carry up to 101.3 meters cubed. This is a crucial selling point for our customers and makes the difference. Keep in mind, although we can carry more volume in a mega trailer, the allowed payload is almost the same as the payload in a standard trailer. Let's look into that a bit more. What is important to know about a mega trailer versus a standard trailer? Well, the difference in internal height is also of importance to the external height. The allowed external height is 4 meters. When we deduct the internal height of 3 meters, the wheel construction, rooftop and bottom altogether can be max 1 meters high. Therefore, the wheels of a mega trailer are smaller compared to the wheels of a standard trailer. Also, the height can be adjusted to a lower level using the air suspension system of the trailer. Later on, we will show you a movie where you can watch the usage of the air suspension system. Since the wheels of a mega trailer are smaller, we require the use of a mega truck, which also has smaller wheels. The smaller wheels cause a lower saddle plate height. This is the distance between the front bottom of the trailer and ground level. For a mega trailer, this is 88 centimeters, while for a standard trailer, this is 113 centimeters. Due to the fact that the wheel construction is lower to ground level, the truck has a smaller fuel tank. In a few countries where limited boundaries have been set to external height, the mega trailer does not need to lower its construction using the air suspension system and can be transported with a standard truck. As previously seen, although a mega trailer can carry up to 10% more volume, the payload is for both types of trailers almost the same. In the table, we show you how the payload has been calculated. Total payload of a standard and mega trailer depends on the weight of the equipment and the allowed weight on road and rail. The standard equipment consists of a standard truck, which is 8.141 ton, and a standard trailer of 7.045 ton. Together they weigh 15.186 tons. Maximum allowed weight on the road for the entire loaded combination is 44 tons. When we deduct the equipment weight from the allowed weight, the customer has 28.814 ton as a maximum payload. The Mega equipment consists in most cases of a Mega truck, which is 8.296 ton, and a Mega trailer of 7.257 ton. Together they weigh 15.553 ton. Maximum allowed weight on the road for the entire loaded combination is for a Mega trailer also 44 tons. When we deduct the equipment weight from the allowed weight, the customer has 28.447 ton as a maximum payload. Remember, in some countries, a standard truck is allowed to transport a Mega trailer, thus the payload will change as well. In all cases, countries have a maximum payload of 29 tons. The use of Mega trailers creates a sustainable solution and safeguards the environment. When we, for example, look at the automotive industry, generally boxes of 1 meters high are being used. When the automotive customer chooses a standard trailer, he could transport up to 2 meters high with these boxes. However, with a Mega trailer, the customer can build up to 3 meters high. This results in 1/3 additional volume on board one shipment, which means that less shipments are needed and therefore less CO2 emissions. Because a Mega trailer is higher, we need a solution for rail transport. We are not able to use a standard wagon to transport a Mega trailer. External height would be too high. Therefore, a special wagon is designed. The pockets of these wagons are lowered. Besides the differences in importances to know about a Mega and standard trailer, do you know what a Huckepack trailer is? A Huckepack trailer is a trailer which can be used on the train. All of our standard and Mega trailers are Huckepack trailers. Our Huckepack trailer can be recognized by its 2 yellow squares on the bottom of the trailer. These squares indicate 2 gaps underneath the trailers in order to lift them with the crane onto the train. The picture presents the lift of a Huckepack trailer. So, what's the cost when we look at the comparison between a Mega trailer and a standard trailer? The cost to execute the transport of a Mega trailer increases with 4% compared to the cost price to execute the transport of a standard trailer. Though remember, this 4% additional cost guarantees 10% more volume. The increase in cost price is due to depreciation, maintenance and repair, expensive tires, trucking costs, and the repositioning of the Mega trailers. We will now watch a movie about how a Mega trailer can be used. In order to transport the Mega trailer, the ride height needs to be set to a lower level with the air suspension system. Remember, this needs to be done to maximize the external height. Now we show you how to increase the level of the Mega trailer. This level is used in particular countries where we face less limitations related to the external height, and thus a standard truck can be used. The loading of the trailer can be done from the side up to 3 meters. Right now you see how the roof can be lifted for optimal loading from the side. The curtain needs to be unsecured and the doors on the back side need to be opened. If we would lift the roof without opening the doors, this would damage the doors due to the fact that the door and the roof are coupled. The roof can be lifted on each side of the trailer. We are going to show you how to handle the sliding roof. This can be easily done by pulling the rope and dragging the curtain to the back. When the mega trailer is transported on rail, the trailer needs to be set to the lowest level possible. This is also done with the air suspension system. Also, the mudguards need to be secured. We always need to make sure that with the yellow stripes on the sides of the mega trailer are in one line, otherwise the crane may damage the curtain when lifting. As we now know close to everything about mega trailers, where can we bring them? As far as the Samskip network is concerned, we can sell the mega trailers to and from all destinations in Scandinavia, Germany, the Benelux area, Lyon and Le Boulou in France, the area of Barcelona in Spain, Trieste in Italy, and Istanbul in Turkey. On the Samskip low vessels, our mega trailers are not allowed since we are not able to safely stow the trailers as the vessels are designed for stacking containers. Let's show you around the Samskip Multimodal Terminal Duisburg. One of our trailers is arriving at the terminal. When a trailer arrives, it will drive through the Camco gate. The Camco gate makes photos of all sides of the trailer and truck to record codes, damages. Also, the tyre pressure is immediately measured and sent to the fleet department. The trailer continues its path and arrives at the OCR scanning, which are the yellow posts. This is the identification of all incoming and outgoing units and tells the driver where the trailer needs to go. Our trailer will be lifted with one of the two cranes onto the train. And the train is ready for departure. What about industry focus? Well, looking at customers and products, our sales focus is based on industries dealing with big volumes and low weight. Examples of these industries are paper, packaging, automotive, isolating materials, healthcare and hygiene, barrels, tanks, and white goods. In summary, there's more volume in a mega trailer, it is highly cost efficient, and it is a sustainable solution. Just so you have an idea about the companies we are currently doing mega trailer business with, we will go through some industry cases. As an example, Scania transports special cabs, which require an internal height of 2.96 meters. In order to transport these cabs, Scania requires mega trailers. In the picture, you will see how these cabs are being transported. Another example would be SCA. SCA offers hygiene paper products which perfectly aligns with all the advantages of the mega trailer, especially the light-weighted volume. Volvo is our third case. Whilst at present they use 20-foot containers of 3 meters high, we are currently discussing the transition to mega trailers. This will benefit since Volvo cannot transport their containers on the road. The external height of their own containers would be too high according to most countries' laws, calculating the 3-meter container and the required chassis. The only way of transport is by barge, train, vessel or deep loaders. But by utilizing our mega trailers with the same internal height as their containers, Volvo would be much more flexible in their transport planning and fleet management. Thank you for your attention. Although I do love the sound of my own voice, let's now pass it over to you for a short question and answer session.